Hi, today we'll be exploring ensemble methods in machine learning. I am Fakia Siddiq and I'll be guiding you through how collective intelligence principles can dramatically improve prediction accuracy and model robustness. Here's our roadmap for today's presentation. We'll start with an introduction to ensemble methods, then explore the statistical principles behind why they work, what I like to call the magic. We will examine the core ensemble techniques, including bagging, boosting, and stacking, followed by practical implementation consideration. We will look at healthcare diagnostic as a real world application, and finally wrap up with key conclusions. At its core, ensemble learning is about harnessing the power of multiple perspectives. Think about how we approach complex decisions in everyday life. Multiple perspectives yield more balanced prediction because they consider a wider range of factors. Single analysis or individual models often overlook important indicators or develop blind spots. By embracing a diversity of approaches, we can significantly improve accuracy. Just as consulting multiple experts typically leads to better decisions than relying on just one person's judgment. The remarkable effectiveness of ensemble methods is grounded in three key statistical principles. First, the law of large numbers tell us that as we aggregate prediction from multiple independent models, those predictions tend to converge toward the true underlying pattern in the data. Essentially, the noise cancels out while the signal remains. Second, ensembles help us manage the bias variance trade-off, as different models capture different aspects of the underlying patterns. By combining them, we achieve a better balance between systematic errors and sensitivity to training data. Third, model diversity is crucial. We want models that make different types of errors, because when they error in different ways, their collective wisdom can cancel out individual mistakes. Now let's explore the main approaches to ensemble learning. These techniques represent different strategies for combining models, each with its own strengths and appropriate use cases. First, baking, which stands for bootstrap aggregating, is one of the most straightforward yet powerful ensemble techniques. It works through three key steps. First, we create multiple training datasets through bootstrap sampling, which means sampling with replacement from our original dataset. Second, we train independent models on each of the samples. Third, we combine their prediction through voting for classification problems or averaging for regression tests. The most famous implementation of bagging is the random forest algorithm, which extends this concept by also randomly selecting features at each split in decision tree. Here is a sample code example of how you would implement a random forest in Python using scikit-learn. While bagging trains models independently, boosting takes a sequential approach. Boosting literally learn from mistake. Other boosts adjust the weight of training, example based on prediction difficulty, giving more importance to examples that previous models struggle with. Gradient boosting builds new models specifically to predict the residual or errors of previous models. And lastly, XGBoost is an optimized implementation that has dominated many machine learning competitions due to its efficiency and performance. The magic of boosting lies in its ability to convert many weak learners to models that are just slightly better than random guessing into a strong collective predictor with a remarkable accuracy. Stacking, or the meta-learner approach, represents a more sophisticated ensemble technique. It works in three phases. First, we train multiple base models of different types. Second, we use their prediction as features or input for a higher level model, which we call the meta-learner. Third, the meta-learner learns the optimal way to combine this best prediction, effectively learning which model perform best in which situation. This approach can be particularly powerful when dealing with complex problems where different models excel in different regions of the feature space. Now let's turn to the practical aspect of implementing ensemble methods effectively. The success of ensemble method heavily depends on selecting complementary models. Here is how to ensure model diversity. First, combine different algorithm types, such as tree-based models with linear models, since they have different strengths and weaknesses. Second, use parameter variation by employing different hyperparameters even within the same algorithm type. Third, train models on different subsets of features to capture various aspects of the data. Remember, the goal is to have models that make uncorrelated errors. This is how the ensembles gain its advantage. When implementing ensemble methods, it's crucial to monitor several aspects. First, track individual model performance to understand how each base model contributes to the ensemble. Some models may be more valuable than others depending on the specific instances. Second, measure ensemble diversity by analyzing the correlation between model prediction. Lower correlation generally means more diverse models. Third, monitor overall stability by evaluating how the ensemble performs across different data subsets, which helps ensure your model will generalize well to new data. Let's look at the concrete application in healthcare diagnostic. Ensemble methods can significantly improve diagnostic accuracy by combining multiple diagnostic approaches, much like getting a second or third medical opinion. They can reduce false positive and negative by balancing different models' tendency to error in one direction or another. And they can provide more reliable prognosis prediction by aggregating multiple predictive models, leading to better treatment planning and patient outcome. To summarize, ensemble methods represent a powerful approach to improving predictive accuracy and reliability in machine learning. By understanding and properly implementing these techniques, data scientists can build more robust and accurate models across a wide range of applications. The principle we have discussed today, model diversity, sequential improvement, and meta learning, can be applied to virtually any predictive task to enhance performance beyond what individual models can achieve. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question or would like to discuss ensemble methods further, please feel free to reach out.